video. This is CESAR from CHEVY, located in Tinley Park. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use your audio app. First thing you want to do is just hit audio, and then if you want to choose a different kind of source of radio, just hit radio, and then go to your SXM, and then an AM, and then radio again. And let's say you guys want to save a station, just go to the one you guys want to go to, and then just hold the number you guys want to save it to. So for instance, we're going to choose 1, and there it goes. Alright, so let's say you want to delete this preset. So you just go on to home, and then settings, and then from here go to should say radio, and then go to manage favorites, and from here you just pretty much delete. There you go, and you just hit done right after that. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please drop a comment below or like this video if you guys liked it. Thank you.